What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP AUD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP AUD from the lower time frame perspective giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP AUD. Looking at monthly to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP AUD historically long-term bearish market. If you closely look at it, you will see that this is the trend line that was respecting GBP AUD for an extended period of time. We saw that from this resistance level, there is a strong rejection. From the same resistance we have seen, there is another impulse on the monthly. Now we saw that back to back there was another rejection here. Now this month so far we saw that the price approached that resistance zone and the price is rejecting, means that we can expect some further drop in this direction. So with that said, let's look at the weekly perspective to see how the price is doing. Now from the weekly time frame, we see that GBP AUD also showing a significant now rejection from the top. We saw there is a weekly impulse to the upside from this level to this resistance zone, and we saw previous week there was a shooting star here, created this high. Now the price looks like that respecting this resistance created a lower high and then trying to drop. As you can see, this is this week's candlestick from this previous resistance zone here with this red candle created a strong level of support, and from that support we have seen a strong movement to the upside initially beginning of the week with a weakless candle. Now with that weakless candle, what we can expect now the price to come and test this weakless candle, low of this weakless candle, and from that zone we might see again impulse to the upside. So far we can expect now GBPAUD to come back down, even breaking this weekly low before creating any bullish move to the upside. So with that said, let's look at the daily perspective on GBPAUD, how it is doing. Now from the daily, what we see that there was a strong rejection from this level with this pin bar, and the price created this deep, and we have seen again bulls back to back 3 days tried to create a new higher high. Instead it failed to create that and created a lower high. So when you see in a vertical uptrending market the price failed to create a higher high, in most cases you see this price will come back down to create a new lower low. So with that said, we highly likely that we could see GBPAUD is coming back to this significant liquidity zone, which is also an important level of resistance, turning support here. So with that said, monthly, weekly, and daily giving us a potential trading opportunity on GBPAUD. Now looking at further lower time frame to see how the price action is doing, we see that in this lower time frame there are multiple liquidity gap. There's one here, strong liquidity gap forming this bearish engulfer, and then there is another one here, there is another one, multiple times the price gap liquidity forming series of lower high with a liquidity gap potential for further drop. So as we can see, the price is now slowly dropping. We will be waiting for a lower time frame retracement to the upside in this zone. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going short on GBPAUD with a high probability trade setup. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPAUD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.